thank you. I am taking part from abroad. Maybe I am I'm one of the less students, not from India, but from Europe. And I really enjoyed very much. And I was enrolled in a course in Uttar Pradesh. We started to learn Sanskrit, but and these Vibhakti forms were familiar for me, but it was very, very helpful to really go from Shabda to Shabda and learn and take the time to repeat and remember. And I will keep this practice going on. And this was really, really very wonderful. And I'm looking for level 2. And when this level 2 course will be enrolled. And yes, also the teachers were very great. Thank you very much, everyone.
Radha.